What do you mean exactly by overriding text scaling? You know, I wonder if he's asking that question for other people's benefit, because I see this guy every week. Overriding text scaling is if you notice there was a text scale in the media query data object. What that means is, did the user go in and say they want larger text on everything throughout their whole device because they have bad eyesight? Okay. If you set text scaling in your app, it's going to ignore that setting and it's going to do what you told it to. And the user is going to get mad because then they're going to think that you think you know what they need more than they do. And this is a bad thing. Don't do that.